Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Multi-Currency Account, a comprehensive tool designed to help you manage your finances across different currencies. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up and using your Revolut account. First, let's start with the basics. A multi-currency account is a type of bank account that allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies in a single account. This is particularly useful for individuals who travel frequently, work with international clients, or receive payments in different currencies. To get started with Revolut, you will need to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have signed up, you will need to verify your identity by providing a valid government-issued ID. After your account is set up, you can start adding funds to your account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your existing bank account. Revolut supports over 30 currencies, including popular currencies such as US dollars, euros, and pounds. One of the key features of Revolut is the ability to exchange currencies at the interbank exchange rate, which is the rate at which banks exchange currencies with each other. This means that you can avoid the high fees and poor exchange rates that are often associated with traditional banks and currency exchange services. To exchange currencies, simply go to the Revolut app, select the currency you want to exchange, and enter the amount you want to exchange. Revolut will then provide you with the current exchange rate and the amount of currency you will receive. Another useful feature of Revolut is the ability to set up and manage multiple currency wallets. This allows you to keep your different currencies separate and organized, making it easier to manage your finances. For example, you can set up a wallet for your euros, another for your US dollars, and another for your pounds. In addition to currency exchange and management, Revolut also offers a range of other features, including real-time exchange rate alerts, budgeting tools, and the ability to send and receive money internationally. You can also use your Revolut account to make purchases online and in-store using your Revolut card. To get the most out of your Revolut account, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the app and its features. Take some time to explore the different sections of the app, including the account dashboard, the currency exchange section, and the settings menu. By following these steps and using your Revolut account regularly, you can take control of your finances and make the most of the benefits that a multi-currency account has to offer. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly to ensure that your account remains secure.